Oh, my viewers, this Blue Galaxy tone chasing desk fan from made from the late 70s or early 80s. Now, I got that garage yard sale last year in fall for $1, which is very cheap. And you can tell there's a paperweight, so we'll just get a tour of it now. Very powerful fan too. I'm for to get more of these fans. If I can find more of these fans, get more of these. They're somewhat rare, I think, than that fan there. Let me show you. There's my Dyson G25. Alright, so just turn on thing. Okay, well, I saw one on eBay this morning, and I wish to get, but it's too expensive for itself. I don't want damages happening during shipping, so rather buy it face by face. Okay, let's turn it on the high for no. I did clean the fan up and oiled it. Only thing missing is the oscillating mechanism plastic part in the back here. That's what's missing here, but that's not a big deal. It does affect the fans' performance. Medium. High. This fan is a beast like the tornado. Off. Okay, and that's the video of this fan. Goodbye.